Hello and welcome to this Expedition 2 Academy tutorial on signing up for premium features. So having subscribed to your free tier account, you can log in and you'll be shown the advert tracker. But as you'll see, there are various advanced features of Expedition 2 which are not available in the free tier, along with the majority of the mapping data, which is only available to premium users. So in order to sign up for a premium account where all these features are now unlocked, it's very straightforward. You simply head over to the buy section. And this brings you to the store where you can either go for the extended premium or the standard premium. Extended premium subscription gives you access to all the premium features of Expedition 2, as well as our Explorer GPS mobile app. And then the standard subscription gives you access to all the premium features of Expedition 2 only. And today we'll look at the standard subscription. Signing up to the premium is exactly the same, but Explorer GPS app is beyond the scope of this particular tutorial series. So in order to go into here, we simply click on the purchase button. And then you fill in this form with your details. Click the continue button. And this will now take you through to PayPal, where you can make your payment. If you're requested to, you can log into PayPal. Now, it's worth noting here that your PayPal email address should really be the same as your Expedition 2 email address. Now, if you want to use different email addresses, that is okay, but you may find that PayPal has some difficulties tying up your payment to your Expedition 2 account. And if this is the case, don't worry, just contact the team on support@expedition2.com and they'll be delighted to make that tie up for you manually. So once you're in the PayPal page, you can simply check the amount, make sure that you're using the correct account and so on. And you simply hit the complete purchase button. And at this point, you should see a confirmation that you've been successful in paying. And you can then hit return to seller. That will take you back to Expedition 2, where you're confirmed that your payment has been successful. And now if I return to Expedition 2 and I go back here and sign in again, login successful, and I'll now see that all the features of Expedition 2 are now available. Nothing is greyed out. And indeed, I have all the mapping available to me, including the highly detailed OS mapping and aerial mapping, and so on and so forth. So there it is. It's as simple as that. Very straightforward. Thank you for watching this Expedition 2 Academy session on signing up for premium features, and we look forward to seeing you in the next session.